Hello, Agile enthusiast. Today, I will show you how to use AI to do the heavy lifting of sprint planning so the team can focus on decisions, not documentation. Remember, when you are doing the sprint planning, you probably will be having a full team in a meeting room discussing about the user story, going into the details of the task, understanding the design, architecture, task related discussions, estimation, and ultimately it probably will be taking 3 hours, 4 hours, and even more than that. And sometimes you will say that, hey, probably we'll need to come back and do this sprint planning again tomorrow. I feel that this is definitely a wastage of time and inefficiency in the sprint planning, which can certainly be removed if we incorporate the AI tools and capability in it. So, my goal with this video is to help all the Scrum Masters and product owner to reduce the time it takes to sprint planning from 4 hours to just 20 minutes and 30 minutes. You just need to know the feasibility, and you just need to know the risk associated with your sprint plan. How can you really achieve this? I have a very simple formula for that. You already would have done some sprint planning in the past. Collect those data of what you accomplished, what was the spillover, understand what is the current team capacity, what is the velocity, what is the team skill set and capabilities. Feed all of these with a good prompt in a GenAI tool and get some kind of a sprint plan, which you can just review and adjust and see if this plan is feasible. Is it something that you can really adopt and can really move forward with? So, whole idea of Gen AI tool is to make your team more efficient. And sprint planning is not for endless discussion, but making sure of the plan is actually feasible or not. So at the end, what I would say is that if you are looking forward to improve the way you work, incorporate Gen AI capability in your sprint planning sessions and start identifying some changes in the way you conduct sprint planning. I'm sure this video would have helped you get some ideas on where to get started with. Remember, the goal isn't to replace team judgment. That is the most important plan of the part of the sprint planning. What is really Gen AI is going to help you is to start from the data, understand the risk, focus on the decision making, and not really worrying about the documentation part, which anyways Gen AI tool can do it for you. So try this out in your next sprint planning and do let me know if you need some help in coming up with good prompt that you want to feed into the GenAI tool to come up with a good sprint backlog. All the very best, and do like and subscribe my channel if you want to continue seeing such useful videos. All the best. Bye bye.